Another way to support all readers in all classes is by using the Seesaw icon shortcuts. So if you look here on my post here, I've got link, I've got Seesaw, marker, or microphone, highlighter, marker again, text box, or the move tool. And the way you do this, number one, is you look up Seesaw icon shortcuts and you find it. You can just put it into Google and it'll pull up a bunch of images and just pick one. But you can also go to Seesaw Help Center and get the most current shortcut lists, which I printed one out and I keep it in a folder right on my desk so that I can reference it at any time. And the way you add it to your post is, let me edit the activity. You put in a colon and then the keyword, you have to look at this chart to know. So like seesaw, you have to put in colon, seesaw, colon. Or to put in the text box, for the kids, they have to use the text box tool. For the T, colon, label, colon. Or you want them to use the highlighter, you do colon, highlighter, colon. Okay, make sure you check exactly what the words are. Like the select tool is not select, it's move. There was another one that always throws me off. I'm trying to find it. Oh, text box. Text box is not text box, it's a label. Okay? So in your directions, you'll do, in this case, I did click the link to watch the video. So I did colon, link, colon. And then when you look at the directions, it'll show a link icon instead. So, and I've seen it on some where it's just the icons or the icon in one or two words. So now that it's getting later in the year, I'm putting more sentences in my directions. Okay, so I hope that helps give you another tip there on how to make your lessons more accessible to all readers.